You can grab your own share. It's not exception for so and so person. It's for each and every person. Each and every one of us here knows one device that changed the world at all. That device is nothing but smart devices. The phone you are holding, the tab, the computer. The reason why we are here is to highlight some of the usage of these smart devices that will help you to achieve your goals or to achieve your financial goals in your future endeavor. Even you, that you are students, I know definitely more than half of you have a smart devices, has a phone. They are using social networks. So what are you using social networks? What purpose are you using social networks for? Just for chatting? For consuming content, information? For fun? For entertainment? Doing games and so many things? What? This is the question you have to sit and think and ask yourself. What the purpose that I'm holding the phone of 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 100,000, 200, 1 million naira, buying data, consuming information, exhausting my data, exhausting my money by buying phones. What are the purpose? What are the benefits? What are you benefiting from it? Nothing? Just entertainment? So this is a time that your mindset will change from that aspect to another. So you have to know there are a lot of opportunities in these devices, in this social media. Millions of opportunities. People are making a lot of money using the social media. This is the great advantage you have over your parents and grandparents. So don't misuse the opportunities you have. Context is what brings success. Your digital footprint is the echo of your choice. Watch what you post on social media. Watch what you post in social media. What you post today, in the next year, next 2 years, 3 years, in the next 100 years, it is there, even if you don't delete. Even if you delete it, someone will already copy it. If you post nonsense, there will be the time that you will regret by seeing it. Don't waste your time and energy to abuse someone in social media or to trick someone in social media. You waste your time and energy and data and your money just to abuse someone. What you got? Nothing. You didn't get anything. But try and be productive. This social media, it has a lot, it brings a lot amount of sales. People are selling their products. People are selling their services using social media. I can sell my product without seeing me. You buy my product, you just saw it on social media. If I posted it, you contacted me, buy it, and I will deliver it to your destination. I make my business. I get money for free. The organic social media is free. What only you need is your smart device and your data. No any business is small. No any business is small. Let me give you an example. I am once a student like you in this School for Arabic Studies, 1996 to 1999. I graduated from this school 1999. When I was a student, I sell sugarcane, I sell mango, I sell so many things after the school hours. So don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Try to be a productive. Try to start thinking what your future will be. Today, the life is so expensive. So expensive. It's incense. You want to wear beautiful clothes. You want to buy big phones, new one. You want to eat something very tasty. You want to do so many things with money. So you have to generate or to find out how you can generate your income. If you don't have income and you want to spend the money, where can you get it? So you have to give your brain the work that will do for you. If not, your brain will find its way, which will be the negative way. I hope you are getting me. From now, you have to start thinking that your burden will shift from your parents to you. Maybe you have a brothers a lot, maybe you have some sisters. So you as a male, who's maybe is 18, 20 years, you have to start thinking, what are you going to do to earn a living? So for this social media has the advantages of advertising this product. Don't say my business is small, I'm selling sugarcane, or I'm doing vulcanizer, or maybe I am a mechanic, or I am a daily saw mechanic or something like that. You can make a lot of money with that. Even that your work, if services you are rendering, you can snap it or videotape it and post in social media. Someone will see and call you to do the service for him. He pay you. Because so many people, the attention is now in social media. The attention is on smart devices. They use your attention to get a lot of revenue. We are in an attention economy. If you are not buying the product, you are the product. That is why you must be among the two. Either you are the product or you are the one who buy the products. So from this morning, you can grab your own share. It's not exception for so and so person. It's for each and every person. As far as you work hard, you can get your own share from. That is what I told you. Context is what brings success. This is the time we have the opportunity. We have to utilize the opportunity to get it. People are making millions in a minute today. Using social media, by creating content. Some they create entertainment, some information, some education, a lot. You can enter and learn something. When you learn, then you educate others. People are there waiting for you to produce content and consume. And you'll do this for free. I'm telling you, free.